Hey, my name is Mark Tacna and welcome to my channel, The Media Nerd.
Yeah!
In this video, I'm going to show you how to, wait for it, clean a vinyl record. This one is Duran Duran. It is my wife's favorite band from the 80s and mine is as well.
Oh, yeah.
She still has this record. It needs cleaned. So why would you want to clean an LP or learn how? Well, believe it or not, all of the latest artists, they're all making records again. My daughter, who's 15, for the holidays asked for a record player and records of her favorite artists. So we bought her one.
Oh, yeah!
And she needs to learn how to clean it, and you and your kids do as well.
Oh.
So let's get started. Hooray! So here's the record player. It's an Ion LP to CD. I use this to transfer people's records. And here's the Duran Duran album. It's pretty dusty. I don't think my wife ever cleaned it.
Oh, boogers.
I am using this vinyl record cleaning set. This is really great. I got this on Amazon.
Ooh.
Comes with a lot of stuff. This little rubber disc, you lay that over top and that protects the label.
Wow!
You have a chamois. The first thing I like to do is it comes with this cool brush. And I just spin.
And away we go!
And I get as much of the hair and dust particles off as possible. Just like that. It also comes with this nice felt brush here. You just lay it on and you do the same thing. It'll pick up all the small fibers that the brush didn't get. Now if it's really old, it comes with a record cleaner. It's anti-static and antibacterial.
Oh, yeah.
This is why you use the rubber pad, because you want to just give it a spray. This is going to break up all that grease. And it comes with a chamois. I'm just lightly touching the record with a chamois. And as you can see, I'm not going across the record.
Oh.
Because I don't want to possibly or potentially scratch the record. Lastly, it comes with a needle cleaner.
Oh, yeah!
I'm just gonna pick up and I'm just gonna lightly stroke the needle towards me. You don't want to go backwards because you'll break the needle. There, I cleaned all the dust off of the needle. And this record looks shiny and brand new and ready to play. Hooray! So that is it. That is how you clean an LP record. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, ring that bell for future notifications, and hey, while you're at it, share this channel and video with a friend or two. I'm sure they would love to learn how to clean a record. Have a wonderful day.